Today is January 3rd, 2026, and it's a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. It's been a while since I've been with you, and I want to welcome you and say Happy New Year. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. It's probably 71, 72. Feels a little warmer in the sun because there is barely a cloud in the sky. Just gorgeous. I recently started taking golf lessons, and so earlier today I was at the driving range. When I got done there, I thought I'd come here to Serenity Walk Park. It's a few short minutes from my house, and it is just gorgeous and quiet here. Of course, I've been talking to my friends up in Wisconsin, and it's in the teens, the temperature, and they've been getting snow on and off. And I have to say, I don't miss it too much. Every now and then, I miss, seeing a beautiful, soft falling snow and maybe warming up in front of a fireplace. Some of the winter activities, skiing's kind of fun. I used to downhill ski, and then shortly before I moved, I started taking up cross country, which is a little safer the way that I ski. But I don't think I would trade this for that. Even though I'm not on the beach right now, and you've seen my beach views, and they're nice, but sometimes this is nice as well. I'll be getting back to posting more regularly now that the new year has started and all the turmoil is kind of behind me. The holiday seasons are kind of rough this time around. And those of you who watch the channel know what I'm talking about. But we'll be getting back. Look at that tree right in the middle of our path. We'll be getting back to regular posting of videos. I hope you're enjoying this little relaxing walk through Serenity Walk Park in Naples, Florida. It's so quiet and peaceful back here. I rarely see other people when I come here. I really like coming here and I just want to relax. It's only a mile. So thanks for joining me, everyone. As always, I encourage you to like, share, subscribe, and come on back. I'm Mark. This is the Average Me Channel.